Welcome back to Sports Cards from Scratch. This is D-rew and Dad.
Dad and D-rew?
No. Or...
Alright, whatever. What are we doing today, man?
We are breaking 2 hobby boxes of the Topps Chrome F1. We're breaking these because we had so much success with the Topps Chrome Sapphire Edition hobbies last video.
Yeah, and the Topps the F1 are really, even in the midst of what everybody's calling the dip right now, these seem to be doing really well.
Because they're new.
Yeah, this is the first edition of them, even though they're a couple months old. And who are we looking for in this thing?
Verstappen, Hamilton.
The one with the special first name?
Lando, no relation to Calrissian.
Norris. That's right.
Norris, no connection to Calrissian.
And so there's some cool cards in here. There's like a $3.99 purple. We might find some gold or silver. If we do, we'll throw a big party.
Yes.
Right now the Norris cards are doing really well. Hamilton is crazy, but any of the first driver cards are considered what?
Rookies.
And then there are some like Norris that are true rookie cards because it's their first year. So.
Yes.
We've got 4 cards per pack. How many packs in a box?
18.
So, like you said, I think Ingrid said we're gonna tear through some of these and get them set up. So we're gonna get started. So show them the whole box if they can see it, maybe sideways.
Yeah, I'll just try and show it.
Right.
So this is the box. There's a
card.
bit of glare.
So let's get it, and we'll start breaking. I'm gonna slide this one out of the way while we're working on that one.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Alright.
Okay, I'm not 100% sure on how to open this one.
Well, I thought. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. It's like, oh wow.
They are a mess.
Yep. They're also very slippery.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
I guess we'll start with this one.
Well, you show them a pack, and then we'll start opening them here.
This is a pack.
This is the loudest thing in
Oh, hey, these are easier than the sapphires.
Okay, let's make a spot here to stack them.
Yeah.
But y'all don't look at them. Put them there, though.
But we gotta move it out of the way.
Okay, yeah, I don't want them to look at them.
Let's put them upside down.
Okay, let's get at it. So, this is your first go at F1. Topps.
Yes, and we've gotten a few from other breaks, and I really like them.
You can follow our local card shop, their Monster Breaks on YouTube, and kind of our virtual card shop from Texas, SK1 on Facebook.
Agree with me.
Yeah, if they're hard to open, they better have something good in it. That's what I think. It's hard too when you got
bump the camera.
When you got the gloves on.
Yeah, it makes everything harder.
I will tell you, there's also a cool insert in this that are the nickname cards.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how well they sell, but
they're really cool.
I do know that they are really cool. They're kind of like the the graffiti cards and some of the other products. Like that. Pretty cool.
We're already getting a pretty big stack.
Yep.
We're only about halfway through.
So with the Sapphire yesterday, tell them what was the big hit in the Sapphire?
The big hits really were all of our Hamiltons that we got. I don't know, we were just lucky with the Hamiltons.
Well, a lot of the Hamiltons are green crew. We only had one first driver Hamilton.
Right.
And then we had one Future Stars that was numbered.
It was a red 2 out of 5 Future Stars Max. Not Max.
No.
Not Max.
Mick.
Schumacher.
And his dad is?
His dad is Michael Schumacher.
Yeah, second generation race driver.
Second
So-
generation Schumacher.
He is.
Oh no.
We are strongly considering sending that one off to be graded. Put this over there. So thanks for sticking with us, y'all. This is not the most fun part. We are 3 packs away from the most fun part here.
Everyone loves this next part. I think. At least I love this next part. These are just,
Stack
these are crazy.
Now fix that stack a little better.
Interesting.
And I think they will stack high enough that that they'll be out of people's, like people.
Oh no, yeah, you can't read them because of the angle. Looks good.
I think that if we do, this right here, see, they can't really see them. So grab a few, and here we go. Let's see what we've got here. Make sure we can see them.
Kevin Magnussen.
Magnussen.
Yeah. That's 2.
Yeah,
there we are.
There you go.
Luca Giotto.
Just stack them all up over here, and the first drivers like that.
Jahan D-rew.
F2 driver.
F2.
Oh.
Ooh, silver Schumacher in a car.
Is it numbered?
Oh, let's
I don't think the silvers are numbered or not.
No, it's just a refractor.
All right, sweet. So
it's a beautiful
refractor Schumacher. I did not realize an F2 driver was going to be as valuable as he is.
F2 Trident. So, what's this?
There's a lot of F2 in this product, by the way.
Yeah, there is.
And they really do kind of stick together.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. We got Yuki Tsunoda.
All right, we got one of those in the Sapphire yesterday.
Did? No. Lance Stroll purple.
How'd that next one?
Yeah.
And that one's numbered?
Out of 109 out of 399.
Is that the purple? Out of
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's the purple.
Cool. And now this next one.
It is Markelov. He's an F2 driver, but it is a refractor auto.
Refractor auto, sweet.
That's nice.
We were hoping for an auto. We were hoping for
Albon, Alexander Albon.
We were hoping for a little different driver there.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's not the big hit.
James Key, the technical director. Is that what he's? Oh, I think that's what he's called. Yes, the technical director.
And everybody wants a technical director.
Yeah. I mean,
I bet he's probably one of the most important people in racing, and his card's worth 11 cents. Poor guy.
I bet you he wants his card.
Yeah, I bet he. I would want my
because
card.
it's a nice looking card actually.
If I were the technical director, I mean, it kind of looks like a bad high school picture, if you ask me. I mean, just kind of.
I mean, his shirt's nice.
Yeah, his shirt is nice.
It's a pretty nice shirt.
All right, keep it rolling.
Nicholas Latifi. Ooh, okay.
Williams Racing.
Signs Refractor. That's a nice card. Lance Stroll.
F2, isn't he?
F2, yeah.
I can't believe I'm starting to know this.
Callum Eloit.
Yeah, that's especially the F2 drivers. Some of them we just don't know. Man, that refractor is gorgeous.
I know. All of the refractors are gorgeous. Renault DP World F1 team. Last card of this chunk is a Max Verstappen car refractor. It is beautiful.
Is that one numbered?
Let's check. No.
Just a refractor. I mean, that's gorgeous.
Sadly. The prettiest cards are the ones that get the least love.
Look at that one. Mom's hiding behind all these boxes.
Art Grand Prix.
F2 Art Grand Prix F2. Oh, that's
Oh,
the
it's a
F2
team.
Okay.
Okay. Zo, I think.
Zoo.
Zoo.
I'm gonna say Zoo. That's gonna be
Future Stars. Carlin. F2 team. Oh, we got this card
in the Sapphire.
in the Sapphire. This is a refractor version of the Formula One team. This is a refractor for Mercedes and Lewis, world champion. Albon. Oh, that's stuck together with like 2 or 3. Okay. Sergio Perez. Ooh. I have to look into yeah. It is a Lewis Hamilton Grand Prix winner. Spine. Flip it. It's not numbered. It's just a really shiny base. Ooh. So it's an IM. I can't tell if this is refractor. I gotta check. No.
But that is one of the nickname cards.
It's a beautiful nickname.
Sultan what?
I am.
I got a yam. I am. I like these. I really like these nickname cards.
Yeah. Albon Grand Prix. Sean Galeo.
Oh, the next one.
It's like it's stuck.
Here, let's be careful.
There we are. Valtteri Bottas. That's a nice looking card. The
Iceman.
Yeah, Iceman.
Who is the Iceman?
The Iceman is Kimi Räikkönen.
Yeah, we didn't get any of him yesterday.
Yes, we did.
Did we get a Räikkönen?
Yes, you said he was your favorite name to say officially.
That is my favorite name to say. Räikkönen.
Sebastian Vettel. He looks like he's taking a nice jog.
He does look like he's taking
Kinda
a nice
funny.
jog. You think that looks funny?
Yes, it really is, because it just looks like he's jogging. Daniel Ricciardo. Okay. Nicholas Latifi. And the last one, same as the last time, a refractor car. Guangzhou.
How about we keep these in like 1 or 2 stacks? You're making it pretty hard to get it wrong.
Not sure which stack they belong in.
You just hand me your top ones. Important ones here.
Sebastian Vettel. Campos Racing F2 team. It's stuck.
Here.
Why do these cards get stuck so
you got back
easily?
there?
I have a Lewis Hamilton Grand Prix Canada. Then I have a Lewis Hamilton Refractor Grand Prix China.
Nice.
Man, how many Grand Prix can you win?
I don't know. I think there's like 20 something in a season, maybe.
Wow.
You're all correct me in the comments if I'm wrong here. We're already at 14 minutes, so let's rock.
Let's rock. Roman.
What's his last name? That's all that matters. Grosjean.
Prima Racing. It's
Geo time.
Roy Nissany. That's stuck.
Be careful with it.
Like 3 cards. Jack Aitken. George Russell And a refractor car, again, Daniel Kvyat.
All right, moving on. We're only halfway through. If we do this, we'll be 40 minutes again. Let's keep it rolling.
MP Motorsport. Pierre Gasly. Bottas, Grand Prix Japan. Daniel Ricciardo, refractor car. Verstappen, Grand Prix Germany. Nikita Mazepin, Future Stars. Second. Hamilton / Bottas Formula One award winners.
I actually got that one in the Sapphire yesterday, too.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. They're shaking hands.
Oh, right. Lando Norris.
Whoa, wait, is that a refractor or just his car?
It's just, I think they're all refractors, technically, with the cars.
Sweet, that's definitely
Red Bull Racing. BWT HWA Race Lab. Just taking that one.
Looks like you got a color coming up back there.
Great Britain, Lewis Hamilton Grand Prix. Okay, this is a purple Deltraz Future Stars 141 out of 399.
Nice.
Wow. And then let's go through the rest. Okay. Alexander Albon. Signs. Whoa. 1 second. Antonio Giovinazzi. Whoa. This is a AlphaTauri gold 46 out of 50.
Man, I have no idea what those are worth. So like a gold wave.
It's beautiful. Is it gold or is it orange?
I think they're calling those orange actually. But I don't know.
It looks extremely gold.
Maybe you're watching, you can let us know in the comments. We'll probably know already, but let us know.
Deltraz Future Stars. Bottas. That slipped. Refractor. Leclerc. Marino Sato. F2 out of... Not out of anything. It's an orange. That is orange.
That's the orange 70.
That's the orange 70, so I'm pretty sure that is gold.
It's hard to see. You see the 70 in the corner there?
I'm pretty sure that one's... The logo's gold.
I don't know. We'll see.
Let's see. Grand Prix Singapore. Vettel. Norris Grand Prix Belgium. Stuck with like 5 cards. Raikkonen. And Grosjean refractor. Oh, gotta flip this one. Verstappen, driver of the day, Hungary. Marcus Armstrong, Future Stars. Lewis Hamilton, Abu Dhabi. And then the Mercedes AMG F1 W11 EQ Performance car.
Say that 3 times fast.
Mercedes AMG F1 W11.
Don't say that. All right, so.
Already 19 minutes in.
All right, well, let's.
There we are.
So while you go through some of the hits, I'm going to loudly. Wait, and here's 2 more that I did not get done yet here. I'm going to loudly open the packs and stack them up for you.
Great.
Normally we wouldn't let these get off the off the camera, but don't have all the room we need right this second here.
Sponge up in this one, so
Set them down and just show them one at a time. I'll tell you what, if you want to see them, we'll do the recap video. Just look through there and show a couple that you like real quick. And let's see how quickly I can.
This is a pretty cool. Lewis Hamilton. Great Britain. Hamilton. This lovely orange 70 Marino Sato. Grand Prix Belgium. Lando Norris. What we're pretty sure is a gold AlphaTauri. Out of
50.
right, 40.
I think it was gold.
6 of 50.
Yeah, I think if it was gold, it would be out of less than that. I don't know. It's like a gold wave almost.
Deltraz Purple Future starts out 141 at 399. Lando Norris car. Formula 1 Hamilton / Bottas. F2 Prima Racing. AlphaTauri Grosjean. Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton China. Refractor Formula 1 team. The Iceman.
Who is the
Lewis Hamilton Spain Grand Prix. Who is the Iceman? The Iceman is Raikkonen.
Because he's
Lewis Hamilton. Verstappen car. Carlos Sainz refractor. Nicholas Latifi.
It is really hard to open these quickly.
Refractor autograph of Markelov. Lance Stroll purple.
Yeah, I like the purple.
I really did too. And Mick Schumacher refractor. Those are the hits of box 1.
You got a safe place over there to put them?
I do. No, I just these two Lewis Hamiltons keep on falling. I'll put them on top.
Hey Jennifer, I actually need your help. If you'll come around, please.
Loud pack opening.
Almost there, down to about 4 here.
Loud pack opening. Gotta love it.
Thank you, Jen. Sorry, y'all. I dropped something there we needed to pick up. I don't know who, but I will tell you there's an autograph in it. Put that one up there. There's an autograph in here. Boy, it'd be nice if it was a Norris or a Verstappen or a Hamilton.
A Hamilton. Gold. Auto.
Yeah, it's probably...
That's probably asking for too much.
Yeah, it's probably Raikkonen or...
Yeah.
Zhu or Zhou
I'd
or Grosjean or...
I'd be happy if it was just a purple auto.
I'd be happy if it was an auto of any of the awesome drivers. Not that all the drivers are not awesome, but alright.
But not all of them are equally awesome. Grab a chunk. Okay. Carlos Sainz in a car. Samaya Future Stars Williams FW43.
Refractor?
No, all of those are refractors. Yeah. So that's just the base of them. Sebastian Vettel. Marcus Armstrong, Future Stars. That is 2 cards. Here we are. Lewis Hamilton, France. Grand Prix. Sean Galale, Future Stars.
There you go.
Giovinazzi.
Oh, don't let them see. Looks like there's some color right there.
Bottas, Grand Prix, Driver of the Day, Australia. Haas, Gold, Wave, we think.
And Haas, I think Haas is like
the team
out of 10 teams. I think it's like the 10th team. They were telling us
10 of 50.
Yeah, I think they were telling us it was in the show on Netflix. They were so sad they had the lowest budget. It was only 140.
You told me about this.
Only $140 million. Oh, some color.
Ooh, Gold, Schwartzman, 70. Maybe. Yeah, Future Stars. I'm gonna guess that's gold, but the 70 does not mean it's not number. I think.
Now, some of the 70s are numbered to 70. It's odd.
Grand Prix winner journey. Verstappen. It is that same. Is that exact same technical director? I think he's the only technical director with a card. Bottas Grand Prix. Driver of the Day, Japan, out of $3.99.
Auto.
Deltraz, Gold Auto, out of 50.
Turn it back.
Woo!
See an F2.
He is an F2.
F2. This one we'll have to hold on to, I guess. It's a gold auto.
Yes, it is.
Was not good.
No. Let's go chunk. Okay. Christian Horner, silver. Sebastian Vettel, Driver of the Day, Singapore. Lewis Hamilton, Albon. Christian Lungard, Future Stars. Zoo, Future Stars. Pierre Gasly's car. A Red Bull Racing card. Signs. Schwartzman. AlphaTauri AT01. Trident F2 team.
Get 2 stuck together. You're losing some of your energy. You need like an energy drink or.
No, that would be a bad idea this late. I bet Turbo.
Sure, whatever.
I have no idea on that one. George Russell. Signs in a car. I really like the car cards in this.
Yeah, me too.
Vettel. Grosjean. Maze Surin.
Maze Pen, I think. Is it stuck?
Yes.
Okay, be careful. Okay.
Ooh. Refractor of Campos Racing.
Let everybody see that one. Your thumb was like totally in the way of that. That's the one yesterday you thought was a weird card. You couldn't figure out it was taken from the top?
No, it was a different one. It was a blue car.
Okay.
Max Verstappen, Driver of the Day, Hungary.
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 Who knows?
All right, yeah.
Who's to say?
the people of the country.
Well, that is true. That is very true. Daryuvala. Williams Racing. This is the most exciting logo yet.
Oh, nice.
Smooth Operator.
Who's the smooth operator?
Signs.
Signs.
Vettel, Grand Prix winner, Singapore. This is interesting. Ricciardo, but I'm pretty sure this is the alternate. It doesn't say.
Let me see. Is it a first driver?
It looks like an alternate to me. Background would usually.
It does, yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's an alternate.
I'll check that out.
Lewis Hamilton, Formula One award winners. Our luck increases with Hamilton's. Refractor, Magnussen.
I want a banger.
Kevin Magnussen. Same person. Giotto. No, just a little flick. This is the one that I thought it was a really weird card.
Yeah.
Ooh, half gold, half silver. It's kind of like a gradient transition. Louis Deltraz.
Someone numbered?
Whoa. 16 out of 50.
Nice.
That's nice.
I guess it's that same
Gold-ish.
Goldish.
Leclerc, driver of the day, Great Britain.
I haven't seen any of Leclerc yet out of Ferrari. That's, I think, the first Leclerc we've seen.
Driver of the day, Belgium, Lando Norris.
Lando Norris, no relation to
Calrissian.
I think they're gonna get tired of that, aren't they?
Max Attack.
Oh, wait a minute. Now, that's not his nickname.
Yes, it is.
That's not his nickname. That can't be somebody's nickname. What's your name? Max Attack.
It's Max Verstappen.
All right.
I mean,
good looking card.
It's a really good looking card. It's a really weird. I mean, it's a really long nickname. MP Motorsport. Stuck. There we are. Yuki Tsunoda. Lewis Hamilton. Formula One award winners.
Elati again?
Elot Future Stars Refractor.
Nice.
Last cards.
There's a lot with his cards.
This card's. You can see my face.
A lot of his cards.
This card's a mirror. ART Grand Prix. Okay. Roy Nissany.
Is there going to be anything awesome in the back of this other than you dropping cards?
And not being able to pick them up because these gloves make it impossible to use hands. Charus. The Honey Badger. Ricciardo. Interesting. Albon. Grand Prix. BWT. HWA. Lewis Hamilton. Grand Prix. Racing Point RP20. Albon.
Getting to the last ones here.
Ooh. Daniel Kvyat. Just looks purple. Toto Wolff.
You wish you were named Toto Wolff, don't you?
He's the team principal and CEO.
Nice.
Yuki Tsunoda. No. Lance Stroll, a lot, Tictum, and Robert Schwartzman Refractor. We got some good cards, and we had a mildly disappointing end.
Yeah, it's kind of anticlimactic there at the end.
Yeah.
So let me get a couple more sleeved up here, and you can show some cool ones here.
Like a lot of sequels. Robert Schwartzman, the 70 Future Stars Gold. It looks really, really nice, in my opinion.
I cannot get that in there straight.
Haas Gold F1 team. We got some hits. It was just anticlimactic. Deltraz with the gold auto. Deltraz again, but gold car. What we are pretty sure is a Ricciardo alternate.
And I think we're gonna call that it on the hits. I mean, lots of Hamilton, lots of good middle stuff.
We got good cards. We got a few great cards.
Yeah, a couple of autos we'll probably hang on to for a while.
Really, we got a few great cards, and the rest are good cards.
All right, so thanks for watching. We will do a quick recap video here. If you want to just see the recap for Topps Chrome Formula One #1.
Yes.
And if you would, we haven't said this, but please
subscribe, hit the bell, give us a thumbs up. Those things will help us get to our goal of being able to do a live on the phone, 1,000 subscribers. And that would be lovely.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. So this has been Dad and D-rew.
Dear and Dad.
Really?
Yes.
With?
Sports cards from scratch.
Thank you guys for joining us.